Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to improve LinkedIn search visibility without posting step by step in 2026. Many people think posting content is the only way to get noticed on LinkedIn. The truth is, your profile itself can attract recruiters, clients, and connections, even if you don't post anything. Here's how to optimize for search visibility organically. Step 1. Optimize your headline. Your headline is the single most important element for search visibility. Include your job title, key skills, and relevant keywords. For example, digital marketing specialist, SEO, Google Ads, content strategy. Use terms recruiters or decision makers are likely to search for in your industry. Step 2. Complete every section of your profile. LinkedIn favors fully completed profiles in search results. Add your experience, education, certifications, projects, and volunteer work. Use bullet points and measurable results in your experience section to increase credibility. Step 3. Include relevant keywords everywhere. Think like a recruiter. What keywords would they type to find someone like you? Include them naturally in your headline, summary, experience, and skills sections. Profiles with strong keyword optimization rank higher in LinkedIn search results. Step 4. Add and optimize your skills. Include all relevant technical and soft skills. Endorsements increase credibility and improve your profile's ranking in search filters. Step 5. Turn on open to work or hiring opportunities settings if relevant. This makes your profile more visible to recruiters searching for active candidates. You can control visibility so it's only visible to recruiters. Step 6. Optimize your profile URL and location. Set a clean, professional profile URL. Make sure your location matches the market you want to be discovered in. For example, adding United States or New York can improve search relevancy for local recruiters. Step 7. Request recommendations from colleagues, managers, or clients. Add social proof. Profiles with recommendations are ranked higher and appear more trustworthy in search results. Step 8. Engage strategically without posting. Even without posting, you can comment on posts like industry updates or participate in group discussions. This activity signals to LinkedIn that your profile is active, improving search ranking. Step 9. Keep your profile updated regularly. Adding new skills, certifications, or experiences signals activity to LinkedIn's algorithm. Profiles that are updated frequently appear more often in searches. By following these steps, your LinkedIn profile can attract recruiters, hiring managers, and industry professionals, even if you don't post content at all. And that's how to improve LinkedIn search visibility without posting step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more LinkedIn growth tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.